Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Charmander. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. And please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the top of the mouth. This will help us align the eyes better after. Draw two short lines spaced apart like this. Now draw two lines inwards meeting at a point. Next, let's draw the eyes. Above the left side of the mouth, draw a diagonal line down here. Now draw an upside down U shape like this for the shape of the eye. Inside, draw an oval attached to the top right. Under it, draw a U shape and color it in black. Now let's draw the other eye. Draw another diagonal line above the right side of the mouth. Make this line a little bit longer. Close off the shape of the eye with another upside down U shape. Now on the top of the eye, draw a long oval. And draw another oval shape under it and color it in black. Now on either side, let's draw two small curved lines inside the eye here. And we're going to color it in black above it. Do the same thing on the left eye. Next, draw a curved line next to each eye here. And draw two small lines above the mouth for the nostrils. Now let's draw the shape of the head. From the top of the left eye, draw a curved line up to the right and then back down, stopping slightly below the mouth. Now draw a diagonal line inwards here for the back of the neck. Let's finish off the shape of the face on the other side. From the bottom corner of the eye, draw a line down and slightly out. Now curve it back in, making sure to leave room for the mouth. Now we can draw the rest of the mouth. On either side, draw two V shapes for the top teeth. Now draw two curved lines down meeting at a point for the bottom of the mouth. Inside, draw two more small teeth here. Finish off the head with a small curved line under the mouth for the chin. Now let's move on to the body. I'm going to start with one side of the body. Draw a line down, curve it out slightly, and then back in. I'm just going to leave this line for now. We're going to just draw the arms first. Starting from the left side of the chin, draw a line down to the left. Draw another curved line under it here. On the top, draw an upside down V. And then another one. Draw another larger one here like this. And then one last one to close off the hand. Let's draw the right arm now. From the neckline, step in and then draw a diagonal line down to the right. Draw the bottom of the arm with a curved line like this. Make these lines the same distance apart as you made the left arm. Close off the hand with 3 points for the fingers. Now inside, draw a small V here for the last finger. Let's continue the other side of the body. From under the right arm, draw a line down to the right and then curve it back in at the bottom. Next, inside the body, about halfway down the belly, draw a curved line down like this. Before we move on to the legs, draw a curved line inside the body here for the belly. Now let's draw the right foot. From the bottom line, draw a diagonal here. About halfway, draw a small curve, then close off the shape for the nail. Draw 2 more nails the same way, each of them getting smaller. Then draw a small line to close off the top of the foot. Now let's draw the left leg. Halfway down the belly, draw a curved line here out like this. Under the belly at the bottom, draw a line across and then down. Step in from this line and then draw a short line down and then over to the left at a slight angle. Now we're going to draw 3 nails like we did on the other foot. Close off the foot with another line here. Lastly, for this foot, draw a small curve in the middle here. Now we can draw the tail. From the same height as the top of the right leg, draw a curved line to the right and up. Now, from the same height as the bottom of the body, draw another similar curve, but coming closer as you go up. Draw a third curved line inside here. Now let's draw his flame. At the tip of the tail, draw a curved line here. On either side, draw 2 small lines up. Now draw curved and jagged shapes upwards to make the flame. You can copy mine exactly, or you can make your own shape. And that's it for Charmander. Now let's color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me. If you want to see more Pokemon videos, be sure to check out my Pokemon drawing tutorials playlist. And please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.